Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your credit score by 80 points by just paying your child support. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited. I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can increase your credit score by 80 points by just paying your child support. Before we get into the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I know the detriment that a lot of people are going through right now, especially people that are paying child support. It can be pretty scary. And from a person that had to pay child support in the past, I understand how difficult and draining it can be to get over the hump when you have to pay such a high amount of your check on, child support. So this video is going to help people that paying child support or paying bills in general to actually leverage those paying of bills to actually get a prime credit score to actually be able to leverage real credit, right? So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you have to understand is that this new platform that is basically allowing you to do this is basically changing the game, and the company is called StellarFi. StellarFi is a new platform that is hitting the streets hard, and they're really putting themselves above the curve because they are capitalizing on you paying bills. So first thing first, when it comes to your credit report, it's 5 factors that makes up your score, right? It is your payment history, which is the largest percentage of what makes up your score. 35%, almost 40% of your score is made up of payment history. So you paying a multitude of bills and not getting that calculated on your credit report is not really fair. If you are paying your bills and your number one component of your credit report is paying your bills, every bill you pay needs to be calculated because I need all of my cheese, right? Everyone need all of the credit, especially if they pay any bills on time. There should be an incentive for that, especially if your credibility in this country is determined off you paying your bills. So StellarFi is a company that is capitalizing off you paying your bills. I'm going to that a little later, but right now I want you to understand the 5 components of your credit report. Payment history, which is 35%, and then the 30% is utilization, and then we have credit mix, then we have new accounts, and then we have inquiries and things like that. So that's what basically makes up your score, and you want to focus primarily really on all of them, but if you do have to make a choice to focus on a variable, I will choose payment history and utilization because that makes up almost 70% of your score, guys. So if you can leverage the payment history that you having with your bills, anything like that, especially some of the biggest bills that you're paying, it can dramatically change the outcome of your credit report and the credibility of it all. So this is StellarFi, this is the website, and as you can see, it's telling you first and foremost what they are doing and what they stand for. It said the card for bill payments. So you can use StellarFi pay card to pay your bills and get your payments reported as a line of credit. So that is huge. Now I've heard other institutions basically using your rent as a way for you to, get payment history and build some data points like that. But this is calculating every bill that you pay, and they are using it as payment history and reporting it to the credit bureaus. And that they're not just reporting to the traditional credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They are reporting to Innovis as well. And Innovis is a new credit bureau that needs to be focused on because they are making headway when it comes to the industry as well. So as you can see, StellarFi members on average grow their credit score by 80 points. So that is the 80 points that I was talking to you about, guys. If you use this platform, the average person that uses it grows their credit score by 80 points over the lifetime of this. So if you are already using, if you have child support payments for 18 years and you have to pay this for 18 years, you might as well get as much benefit from it as possible. And like I said, this goes for any of your other bills as well. If you have a car note, if you have light bills, if you have rent, if you have child support, any of your bills can be calculated as long as you have a Visa debit card to pay them back. So as you can see, they have a 4.7 star rating. There is no credit checks, no interest, no deposits, and it's one card for all your bills. It says get instant access to your Stellar-Fi bill pay card with Stellar-Fi. Pay all your bills on time with a flexible and easy way to raise your credit. So what I love about Stellar-Fi is that they give you up to a $25,000 line of credit. So I've seen people buy trade lines just to get a higher credit limit to offset their utilization. Your utilization, like I said, is 30% of your score, which is a very large percent. So a lot of people will get a trade line that has like 20,000, 15,000, and they normal available credit is around 5,000, but that 5,000 is maxed out. If you go get a trade line for like 15, 20,000, it's going to offset the 5,000 that you already have maxed out. And on the credit profile, it's going to look like your credit utilization is a lot lower because the 25,000 is not maxed out. It's basically haven't been touched, but the 5,000 have. So to combine, when it comes to the combined available credit of 25,000, it don't even look like you touch an inkling of your available credit because you only use 5 out of the 25,000 available. So it makes your utilization go down, make your score go up. And if this program is tackling the payment history option as well, your score is going to go up for the on-time payments as well. So as you can see, guys, this is a game changer for anyone that known to pay their bills but have a low credit score. If you have a low credit score and you're looking for a credit building product, Stellar-Fi is for you because this product is changing the game. Like I said, they are reporting up to $25,000 of available credit on your credit report. That is a game changer. Like I said, if you already have maxed out credit, you can sign up for this and offset the utilization and start getting some on-time payments almost instantly reported to the credit report, which will ultimately bring the score up. Guys, it said pay and manage your bills, add and manage your bills payments on Stellar-Fi dashboard, track your on-time bill payments in one spot, report up to 25K credit limit. Like I said, your bill payments are reported to the major credit bureaus, improving the credit score that matters to lenders. So like I said, guys, they are above the curve because they are tailoring their algorithm in their platform basically to put you in position to get approved for the major banks and lenders. Next up, the 800 Club. Monthly access increases. Always access your updated credit report and score in the app. Your reported Stellar-Fi limit increase with bill payments made monthly. Auto pay all of your bills on time. Once you add your bills to Stellar-Fi, your Stellar-Fi bill pay card will auto pay your bills. Your virtual card can be used everywhere cards payments are accepted. And these are the easy steps, guys. They say how Stellar-Fi works. Get your free credit score, add and pay your bills, and then build your score, guys. This is huge. If you have child support, rent, if you have any type of ongoing bills, if you're an adult, obviously you're going to have that. This is a game changer. What I like about this little option right here, it gives you a projection of how much your score can raise over a 6-month window. So you can put your score in of 605, and then your monthly bills can be around 3,700. And if you actually work this system, it is going to give you a good projection on what you can expect your score to be over a multitude of 6 months. So that is 6 months of on-time payments. That's 6 months of $25,000 credit limit. That's 6 months, or a potential $25,000 credit limit being placed on your credit report. And this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, your score went up 80 points in less than 6 months just by using the system. This is not removing anything negative. That is not doing anything outside of using this system, guys. It is 100% great. great. And I thought this was interesting as well. It shows you the cost of having bad credit. A car loan, 6 years, $38,000. You're saving so much money when you use the system as well. Without Stellar 5, total payments $51,000, interest rate 21.33%. Your credit score is 580. With Stellar, your total payments is $47,000. You already saved almost $6,000. Your interest rate is a 6.3 instead of a 21% interest rate, and your credit score is 720. Guys, this is a no-brainer. If you have any type of low credit score and you want to raise your credit score by just simply paying your bills, doing what you're supposed to do anyway, join Stellify. Check them out. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about Stellify. Do you think that this is a system that can change the game, or have you used it? Do you know someone to use it? They didn't get the success that they probably were expecting. Let me know in the comment section. Let everyone know so we can all talk about it together and get on one accord. Guys, let me know how you feel about this. I think that this is interesting. These products in the credit game is changing month by month, quarter by quarter, year by year, and they always getting more interesting, and this is one of the most interesting ones I've seen to date. So guys, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need anything removing your credit report, always remember to go back to mycreditapprove.com. And guys, remember, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.